So All Steamed Up has acquired a 3D printer, and what we're showing here is the slicer program as it develops the product that we've developed. And actually the product was developed by my son Victor. Hats off to him, otherwise this thing is just simply a desktop ornament. And the program is sent over to the 3D printer, which, as you can hear and see, is actually creating 9 of the products. This is a version of the final product, which is the valve handle for the Hoffman number 7. It's on there like so and makes it complete. Is that necessary for the functionality of the valve? No, but it adds a certain touch. It certainly worked better than the bare knob. The original plastic was Bakelite with a wood filling, which oftentimes breaks or corrodes away. Currently we're printing with a plastic called PETG, which I believe stands for polyethylene terephthalate glycol, and it takes about 3 to 4 hours to print these suckers, to print about 9 of them, and it can fail at any time. We've already had one failure today. It just broke off the board, and we have no idea what caused that failure. So we're printing again. It's almost complete. Hope we're not screwing it. But the idea about this is it can print obsolete parts. The downside of this, of course, is that you need a designer to actually build this thing and actually make this thing work. But once it's done, and you can start making short production runs on this thing for obsolete parts. I doubt if there's going to be a great demand for this particular item, but it's there. The other thing we're going to use it for eventually is to start printing out these radiator pedestals, so we can use these to make molds to sandcast them. And there Victor is in the process of using Blender to try to develop the outer mold, and then the next thing we're going to do is develop the core mold for the interior space. So that is where we are right now, and thank you for tracking our progress.